What are Agile limitations? Yeah. So in this Agile model, you'll find some limitation like it will take more time to deliver. Okay. And it need more resources. And we have to do some step-by-step process. Okay. And go with Agile model. In Agile, you can work for one by one module. Okay. You can deliver one by one module. So discuss which one is preferable. Waterfall or Agile, right? Yeah, Agile is preferable, right? Okay, fine. If you have any queries, I'll just spend some time at the end. Okay, you can ask your queries. No worries. Fine. So we just compare these two models like Waterfall and Agile. Okay, so you can say Agile is preferable one, right? Now, so if you just go for Waterfall model, you will get some requirement gather, design, testing, okay, and finally deployment. Okay. Um, we discuss in Agile model, we have some cycles. How to call the Agile cycle? What we discuss? Yeah, how to get this Agile model? Yeah, Agile model can have some cycles. You're seeing these points, right? You can have a cycle. How will call the cycle? It is a sprint, Agile sprint. Okay. So in this Agile model, you'll get multiple sprints, multiple cycles. Is clear? We'll call it a sprint. And even we discuss some advantages in Agile model. What are Agile advantages? Do you remember? Yeah, we discuss. We have some early deployment. A client can have early deployment, early market, right? Yeah, early customer feedback. Yes, and even continuous improvement. Continuous improvement we have in this Agile model, right? Okay, so we find some advantages in Agile. Okay, fine. Yeah, last time we discussed all these points. Now let me go with some Agile limitations. We discussed, right? Agile can have some cycles. How you'll call the cycles? It is a sprint, right? Agile sprint. Okay. So where the sprint will focus? If you see the cycle, this Agile sprint will focus on a continuous development. Just see this process. We call it a sprint, right? So in this sprint, what you'll get? Continuous development. In sense, you can get one module, you can do design, build. What is build we discuss? Yeah, code compilation, yeah, packaging, right? And do configure, testing, and release. So you can find continuous development. But we're seeing this, it won't focus on this operations. So this Agile model can have a continuous development, but you could not find continuous operations, right? Now this cycle, this Agile cycle, we can extend towards operations. This Agile cycle can extend towards operations. So then we can have a new cycle, a new cycle. Yeah, how to call this new cycle? It is DevOps. So you can just compare these two cycles, Agile and DevOps. So tell me where Agile will focus. Yeah, Agile can focus on continuous development and it won't include operations. But DevOps can do this. Okay. So in this DevOps, what you can find? You'll find a continuous development and even continuous operations. Yes. In sense, you can get one module, do plan, code, build, configure, test. Okay. And you can deliver it. Okay. I think in the last class, we've seen some simple definition for DevOps, right? How will define it? Is a combination of DevOps is a combination of software development and operations. Right, we're seeing this point. It's a combination of what? Software development and operations. And with this DevOps, we can improve. What's the point we discuss? Yes, we can improve a proper communication, collaboration, and integration. We can improve a communication, collaboration, and integration between a traditionally separate development and operation teams. Okay. Tell me, as a DevOps engineer, what is our role here in this development operations? So what we can do? If you just recollect your last class statements, you'll get some idea. So what is the role of DevOps engineer? Yes, we can do a CI/CD. Yes, CI/CD, right? What is CI/CD? It's a continuous integration and continuous deployments, right? Continuous integration or continuous deployment. You can say even delivery. Okay, it's nothing but like automation. Okay, we are the guys to focus on this automation. Okay, tell me how to achieve this automation. How to get this automation? With the help of tools. Yes, so you can use some DevOps tools. I think in the last class we just give some overview for all these tools. Okay, see different tools here. So what is SVN and Git? What they are? Source code repositories. Ant and Maven, build tools. Selenium and JUnit, test tools. Puppet, Chef, and Ansible. Yes. Yeah, configuration management tools. Sensio and Nagios, monitoring tools. Jenkins is an integration tool. Yeah. So what they are? You'll get source code repository. You will get build tools and test tools. Configuration management tools. Next word. Monitoring tools and integration tools. Tell me why we need this SVN and Git. What is the functionality of source code repositories? We discussed, right? These repositories can manage our code, source code, right? And build tools can do this code building, code compilation, packaging, right? And we have some test tools. And tell me why we need this Ansible, Puppet, Chef. Yes, they are configuration management tools. I think last time we discussed some multiple points here. Yeah, this configuration management tools can manage our servers. They can do a server management, right? And what are the core components for Ansible? Ansible can have a, yeah, master. How about Puppet? What Puppet contains? Master and agent. And Chef. Chef can have a server, client, and workstation. Yeah, we discussed these points in last class. And tell me, what are Ansible scripts? Ansible scripts are, yeah, playbooks. Puppet script, manifest. And Chef scripts are what? Cookbooks, yes. So the CM tools can manage our servers. Yeah. Next, you'll find some monitoring tools like Sensu and Nagios. So they can do this. Yeah, they can do this continuous health check, right? Yeah, they can see health of the server, health of this application, okay, health of the services, right? Yeah, we discuss. And all these tools you can integrate with Jenkins. Yeah, you can integrate with Jenkins. So Jenkins can pull this code and can do build, test, configure. So you can call Jenkins like a CI/CD tool. Okay, fine. So these points we discussed in last class. And apart from this, we have some more tools in DevOps, right? Yeah, do you remember we are seeing some course content? Okay, so in this content, you will find multiple tools in DevOps. So let me go with this. In this course, we can see, okay, yeah, we can see some DevOps tools, different DevOps tools, including Amazon Web Services in Linux. Yeah, so here we can see some Agile model, Agile functionality, okay, how it works, and cloud, even cloud. See, as a DevOps engineer, we have to work for some cloud platforms, okay? So it could be Amazon Cloud, Google Cloud, so Azure Cloud, okay? So we have to work. So we will see how to get these accounts and how to create instances. So you can see here. And Apache, Tomcat, Nginx. So here you'll find some web servers like Apache, okay. And you find even some app servers, database servers, okay. So multiple servers we can see. And HA proxy. Tell me anyone what is HA proxy? What is HA proxy? It is a high available proxy. Yes. Yeah. See this example here. If you take some application, okay, this application can have some multiple servers. I'll take example like Flipkart. This Flipkart application is just deployed for multiple servers. And end user want to access this application, okay? Here I'm using some load balancer, HA proxy load balancer. So initially this end user will send a request to this load balancer, okay? And the request can redirect to its backend servers. And tell me how this user can access this. Just something flipkart.com, okay? Yep. So end user can send a request to this HA proxy. So what HA proxy can do? HA proxy can distribute this load for backend servers. Yeah. So which can equally distribute the load for backend servers. Okay. Then what is the need for HA proxy? If you see here, in case a server is down, for example, server one is down. Tell me whether this Flipkart will stop its services. If one server is down, will it stop its services? No, right? So the request can redirect to other servers. Are you following or not? So even a server is down, then other server can process your request. Is what high availability. It is a high availability. Okay. So HA proxy can do this. Okay. Yep. So you can see HA proxy as a part of this course and how HA proxy can work. Okay. Yeah, definitely. See, it's only example for one server. You can in real time you get multiple servers, right? No issues. You get multiple servers. Yeah. Here HA proxy will use some algorithms actually. You'll get round robin, release scan. There are some multiple algorithms we'll use. Okay, we'll see. And how about Git? Git is a yeah, it is a source code repository, right? We discuss. You can manage our source code. And Maven, what is Maven we discuss? It is a build tool. Yes, which can do this code building. GitLab. Have you heard GitLab? Okay. Have you heard GitHub? Yes. GitHub is a public repository. Yes, multiple developers can create their account and they can upload their code, right? So in the same way, we have a GitLab. In GitLab, we have an advantage. So we can manage our repository in our own infrastructure. And since GitLab can install in our own machines, we can install it. Okay. So how to install and how to get public and private repositories, we'll see it. Okay. So in this course, we'll see both GitHub and GitLab. Okay. No worries. We'll see. And yeah, Docker. Tell me anyone, what is Docker? Why we need Docker? Yes, is a tool for containers, right? We discussed this point. So if you want to get some lightweight machines, what are lightweight machines? It's a container. Yes. If you want to get some containers, so you can use a tool called Docker. So I'll say Docker is a tool for containerization. And before this containers, we have a concept like VMs, virtual machines, right? And we can call the process like a virtualization. So what is virtualization? It's a process of creating VMs, virtual machines. Okay. Then tell me, how can you differ VMs and containers? Yes, VMs are what? Heavyweight machines. Okay. And how about containers? Containers are lightweight in nature. Yes, it is. Okay. And Docker can have multiple concepts. I think in last class we're seeing this overview. Docker Compose, Docker Hub, Docker Cluster. Okay, no. Docker file, Docker networking. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we can discuss all these points. And even Kubernetes. I said, right, Kubernetes is a tool for container orchestration. So we have multiple containers you can manage with Kubernetes. Okay, fine. How it will manage, we can discuss later. And Packer and Terraform, they're the tools for what? Yes, to design our own infrastructure. To design a cloud infrastructure, we can use these tools. Okay. And how about Vagrant? We discuss. Yes. So Vagrant is a tool to create VMs, virtual machines. It is just like your VMware, right? So what VMware can do? Okay. So VMware can create virtual machines, right? The same way Vagrant can create virtual machines. And how about Nexus? We discussed this point in last class. Yeah, Nexus can call the terminology like artifact repository manager. Artifact repository manager. Tell me, what are artifacts? What are artifacts? Artifact, nothing but your application and its versions. Yeah, application is demo, its version 1.0, 1.0 artifact, demo 2.0 artifact. If you see, any application can have multiple versions, multiple artifacts. And where to store artifacts? In a tool called Nexus. And not only Nexus, you can use even other tools. You can use JFrog. You can use Artifactory. So multiple tools you have, you can use it. No worries. Okay. Yep. And we discuss even Jenkins, right? How about Jenkins? Is this CI CD tool? We can see it later. Tell me Nagios. Why we need Nagios? As a tool for monitoring purpose, right? Yeah. We can just do a complete health check using Nagios. Okay, fine. And we can discuss even other tools like Ansible, Puppet, Chef. So what these tools will do? Yes, all these tools can manage our servers. Yes, they can do a server management. Yes, they can install packages, do configurations. Yes. And we are seeing this apart from DevOps, we can discuss even Amazon Web Services. If you see this here, we won't discuss all Amazon services. We can see some few important services which are relevant to DevOps. Okay. Yep. Can I see one by one service here? EC2. EC2 stands for, yes, Elastic. Yeah, Elastic Compute Cloud. Yes, it is Elastic Compute Cloud. So if you want to create your machines, Linux machines or Windows machines, we can use EC2 service. And how about IAM, Identity and Access Management Service, IAM service. Okay, we can see. Next one, VPC. VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. Okay, so you can see a virtual VP private cloud and Elastic Load Balancer, ELB. Do you remember we discussed HA proxy, right? What is HA proxy? HA proxy is a high available proxy, right? Yeah, it's a load balancer. Yes, it is. Yes. Then how about ELB? ELB is also a load balancer. Yes. But difference is your HA proxy is a tool. Is a tool. But go with Elastic Load Balancer is an Amazon service. Okay, but both are load balancers. And again, ELB can have some more types like application load balancer, classic load balancers. Okay, we can discuss later. No worries. Okay. Yes, yes, you can work with any cloud. Okay. Yes. Next one, auto scale. Tell me anyone what is auto scaling? Yes, anyone? What is auto scale? Yeah. So using this auto scale, we can just scale these services. See this example. I have some servers. I'll take the same example, earlier one, what we discussed, same Flipkart. Okay. Yep. And I said these two servers can handle up to 1 lakh requests. Okay. Like multiple users can send the request here. I said it can handle all the requests. Okay. I said the servers can have a limit up to 1 lakh. But in sudden, we got a 1 million request. What will happen? Why the servers can handle all 1 million requests? No, right? Okay. So once the limit exceeds, the servers will, yes, will get crash, right? So to avoid this, we can configure some new servers. Since whenever load is high, I want to get some new servers, add-on servers. How to get the servers automatically? Using a feature called auto scale. Yes. In this auto scale, you'll find a feature called scale up. What is scale up? So whenever you have a on demand, whenever you need some new instances, new servers, new resources, okay, so we can get this automatically. Okay, and this process is what scale up. Can observe earlier I have only two servers. Now we have some two more servers. Okay, now this load can distribute for all servers. Okay, we can just say it is a scale up. Okay, fine. After some time, my sale is closed, sale completed. Now I don't need additional servers. Okay, these new servers can drop. If you see, these servers will automatically draw from this list. Is what scale down. Scale down. In sense, so whenever load is high, some new instances will automatically create the scale up. And whenever load is down, the servers will drop automatically. Is what scale down. So auto scale is a feature, so which can add some additional resources, additional servers. Okay. And again, we'll find some difference here, like horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, how to get it, how to configure it. Okay. We can discuss later. No worries. Okay. It's an important service in Amazon. Is clear to you? So whenever load is high, we will get some new servers, new instances. Okay. Next one. And can you see this S3? S3 stands for? Yes. Scale up, repeat, please. Yeah, thing is what I said, right? In scale up, we can get some new servers. See, whenever load is high, you said your instance are not enough to handle the load. Then what autoscale will do? Some new instances will automatically create. Is what scale up. Okay, fine, no issues. We'll see, discuss later. Fine, let me go with S3. S3 stands for simple storage service. It's important one. Next one, Route 53. It's one DNS service. Okay, as we'll see as a part of this course. And even EBS. EBS stands for Elastic Block Storage. If you want to add some additional volumes, additional memory, you can just go for EBS. Okay, and you will find even RDS. RDS stands for Relational Database Service. Yes, if you want to get some new databases, you can use this service called RDS. Yeah. Can you see all these are different Amazon web services, but we can see as a part of this course. Okay. Next one. And I said apart from this AWS, you'll find even some Linux commands. Okay. Yeah. Like how to manage some Red Hat machines, Ubuntu machine. Okay. So you can see all the Linux commands as a part of this course. Okay. Ubuntu machines, CentOS machines, okay, how to configure it. Okay. We can see even some scripting we can see here, like shell scripting, DSL scripting. Yeah. See, no need to worry about the scripting. The scripting is not programming. So don't think it is a regular Java programming. There's some set of commands it is, set of instructions. Yeah, we will see it, no worries. Okay. And we can see even some sample projects in this course. Is it clear? Yeah, so in this DevOps course, we can see multiple DevOps tools, including Amazon Web Services and Linux. Okay. Yeah, the scripts which are relevant to our DevOps we'll discuss, no worries. Okay. See, in DevOps, we have multiple tools. Okay. No? Yeah, we can discuss what are the tools which are relevant to this course. We'll see. I think already I shared this course content to you. Okay. So still anyone miss this content, I'll share this document. Okay. So who are newly attend, just give your mail ID in chat box. I'll share this content to you. No worries. Okay. Yep. Now my question is how to practice this DevOps tools? How to practice this Ansible, Puppet, Chef? So where to install it? Yes, anyone tell me? How can you practice this DevOps tools? Yes. So to practice this DevOps tools, so we need some Linux machines. We need some Linux servers. Okay. Tell me how to get these Linux servers. Anyone? How to get Linux machine? Yeah. So you can create some Linux machines using a VMware workstation. And you can get Linux machines using VirtualBox. Okay, and you can even get using a tool called Vagrant. Vagrant, and you have one more option to use cloud. In cloud, you'll get AWS Cloud, Google, Azure Cloud, IBM Cloud, Rackspace Cloud. You'll get multiple cloud service providers. Is it clear? So requirement is what? To create some Linux machines, Linux servers. So we're seeing different ways to get Linux machines, right? Yeah, so what you can do here, so you can use your VMware workstation. Next word, you can use a VirtualBox, Vagrant, and cloud. Tell me anyone, which one is preferable to use? Which one is preferable? Okay, cloud. Next, anyone? We have even other options, right? Okay, fine, fine. See this one. So first, let me discuss these tools like VMware, VirtualBox, and Vagrant. Okay. So what these tools will do here? See, all this VMware, VirtualBox, and Vagrant will use our local resources. So what they can do, can use our local resources. See, let me create some Linux machines here. To just see this. So if you use VMware, VirtualBox, or even Vagrant, I have to allocate my local resources. Tell me what are local resources? It could be hard disk, right? Your machine RAM, processor. So you have to allocate your resources. Okay. Suppose you want to get some two servers, two instances. Can you create? Yes, right. You can do it. You can do using VMware. If you want to create some 20 instances, 20 VMs you want to create, can you create or not? Yeah, if you want to create 20 instances, you should have enough memory first, right? You should have enough memory, enough RAM, hard disk, right? Okay, fine. If you want to get some 200 machines, tell me, is it possible? Can you create 200 instances using VMware? No, right? So if you want to create, you should have enough resources in your laptop, in your desktop, right? Then you can go for cloud. So in cloud, what is the advantage? See, in cloud, you can create multiple cloud instances. Okay, and all the instances you can access from your host. Suppose I said my computer is a host, my laptop is a host, my desktop is a host. Okay, so using this host, I can access the servers. I have some multiple servers I can access. And then tell me what is the advantage in cloud? Yes, here we can use a cloud resources. So earlier we had used local resources, but now we can use what? Cloud resources. Are you following or not? So now tell me which one is preferable to use, local or cloud resources? Yes, it is cloud. So in the C, if you're just using Amazon cloud or Google cloud, if you create even some 100 machines, 100 VMs, okay, so it won't get any load on your host machine. Reason is you are using cloud memory. Okay, no? Fine. So we can create a cloud account and we can practice. Again, we have a question. Tell me, is it free service for us? This Amazon cloud, Google cloud, is the free service? No, right? Yeah. See, in general, any cloud is a paid service. Okay. But you go with Amazon Cloud or Google, they can provide 1 year free services, 1 year free limited services. Okay, no? And we can practice DevOps using the free service. No worries. Okay. Yeah. So to practice DevOps, so first what you can do it, you can create a new account for Amazon Cloud or Google Cloud. Then you can create instances. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. See, let me show this one for you. You'll get some idea. You can just search with the label AWS free tier, Google free tier, and even Azure free tier. You can just search with this label. Okay. Can you see this? AWS free tier. You have an option to create account, free tier account. Google free tier, and even Azure, Microsoft Azure free tier. Okay. Yep. So you can have an account in any cloud platform. You can do this. Okay. And let me go with Amazon free tier first. So I have an option here to create a free account. Just go with the free account, create a free account. And can you see this? You'll get 12 months of free tier access. So here to create a new account, you can just provide your details. Let me write some my mail ID. Say I'm writing a demo mail ID, but when you practice, write a proper mail ID. Okay. Okay. I'm just creating a demo account. And you'll get an option like professional or personal type. Tell me what we need to select. Yeah, for practice, go with personal account type. Okay. And they can ask you to provide some contact number, phone number. So again, you have to write a proper contact number here. Reason is you'll get a verification call from Amazon, verification call or verification message from Amazon. So write a proper contact number. Okay, is clear? Yep. And you can just fill up these details. And for the next slide, they will ask you to provide debit or credit card details. Okay, so you have to provide the details. Okay, and they will deduct some minimum amount from your card. I think they will deduct some minimum ₹2 from your card. It is only for card verification. Okay, so once your card is verified, you will get 1 year free services. Is it clear? So for next class, your task is what? So create your own account for Amazon Cloud. So what to search for this? AWS free tier. Okay. So once it is done, you can create even Google Cloud. Google Cloud can provide $300 of free credit. Okay. You can do this. You can even try Azure. Okay. You can first start with Amazon. Okay. Fine. Yeah, that is your choice. After 1 year, if you want to continue or not, whether you want to activate your account or not, that is your choice. Okay, no worries. See, let me log into my account. So this is my Amazon account. So once you log into this account, you'll get these options like services, resource group, and you'll get some username, user, and its region. So I have multiple options here. Can you see this services? If you go with services, you'll get multiple Amazon services. Can you see this EC2? We discuss EC2 stands for, yes, Elastic Compute Cloud. S3, Simple Storage Service. RDS, Relational Database Service. IAM, Identity and Access Management Service. You have multiple Amazon services, right? But tell me, to create some Linux machine, which service we have to select? What is service? Yep, you can just go for EC2, EC2 service. Okay, just select EC2. You can launch your instances here. And you can find some machines here. So you have some existing machines like something Docker, Jenkins. Okay, so you can just create your own machines. So for next class, your task is create your own account for Amazon, or even Google. If possible, you can even try Google. So what to search for this? AWS free trial or Google free trial. Okay. Yes, you can do it. No issues. Okay. Fine. And once you have an account, then you can launch your servers, right? So let me give some overview for some Linux servers, Linux distributions. Tell me some Linux flavors, Linux or Unix flavors. Anyone? First, let me start with Unix flavors. Yes. So you'll get some flavors like Solaris. Just a minute. Yeah, first let me start with Unix. Tell me what are Unix flavors? Solaris. How will call Solaris? As Sun OS, Sun operating system. Next word. AIX. AIX is from IBM. HPUX. HPUX is from HP Corp. HP Corporation. Yes. And you'll find Mac. Where you'll find Mac? Yeah, on Apple books, right? Mac. And you can find even BSD Unix. Sorry, BSD Unix. BSD stands for Berkeley Software Distribution Unix. BSD Unix. And you'll find even Linux, System V. So what they are different Unix flavors. System V, it is from AT&T Bell Labs. AT&T Labs. Okay. Then how about Linux flavors? Tell me anyone, what are Linux flavors we have? Okay. Yes, you'll get some Red Hat machine. Can you see this Red Hat? Yes. Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, Zen2, Slackware, Fedora, Amazon Linux, Oracle Enterprise Linux, Open Linux, Berkeley Linux, Mint Linux, Mandark, SUSE. You get multiple Linux flavors. Yeah, Turbo Linux. Can you see this? So you can have different Unix and Linux distributions. So what Unix flavors we are seeing? Like Solaris, AIX, HPUX, Mac, Macintosh, or BSD Unix. BSD stands for Berkeley Software Distribution. Can you observe? So Linux is one of the flavor of Unix. Flavor of Unix. Again, Linux can have its own flavors, its own distributions. Okay, Linux system we have multiple Unix flavors, and even Linux flavors we are seeing. Okay, so here our requirement is what? So to practice this DevOps, we need to get different Linux machines. Okay, is it clear? Any queries here? Okay, fine. No worries. How to get these machines we can discuss on tomorrow. We can discuss in next class. Okay, no worries. Yep. Now, if you see to get this Linux instances, I said right already we have an account. We have some Amazon account or Google account. Okay, so here you can choose this option services. What is service? I said EC2. Yeah, Elastic Compute Cloud, right? So using this EC2, you can launch your machines. So can you see this option here? What is the option you have? Launch instance. So you can create your own machine. Your own machine. Is it clear? Okay. So how to get the machine, this machine, how to launch multiple instances, we can see next class. Okay. So for next class, your task is to create your own account. Okay. So make a try. And what are different Linux flavors and how they'll work. Okay. We can discuss in next class. Okay. Fine. Any queries here? So next class we have on Monday. On Monday, we'll discuss continuation class. Okay. Yeah. So there we discuss how to get some Linux machines, how to create our account. We'll see it. Okay. We'll see on Monday class. Duration, yes, I need nearly some 2 months to complete all these tools. We have multiple tools, right? Yep. I need some more time. For fee, you can just contact with Satyatech. Can contact. Okay. I'll share these details to you. You can contact if you want. Okay, fine. And I'll share this course content. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah, Sandeep, I'll share it to you. I think already I got some multiple mail IDs. No worries. I'll share. Yeah, you can try both. Any card, like debit card, credit card. You can try it. You can create your own account. Yes. Okay, fine. We just seen some like basics here, like what is DevOps. So what different tools in DevOps, right? And how to get instance, we'll see next class. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Sandeep. Okay. See, who are new to Linux, no need to worry about this. No need to worry about this terminology. Okay. So what is Red Hat, CentOS, Debian? No need to worry about this. So I'll take some separate sessions for Linux. Okay. You'll get some idea. Fine. Fine. We can continue this class on Monday. Okay. So in meanwhile, what is your task? Yes, you have to search for AWS free tier. Yes. Search for AWS free tier and create your own account. So don't miss it. Okay, now? If possible, you can even try Google Cloud account. Yeah, if possible, do it. Okay. And how to use that accounts and how to launch instances, we can discuss. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. We'll see you on Monday. Yeah, see, no need to worry about this, your laptop or desktop. See, you will practice all your DevOps tools in cloud account, right? So don't think you should use a high-end machines, high-end laptops. Okay, it's not required. You can use a normal i3 laptop with 4 GB RAM. You can work, no issues. Okay. Thing is what you are not going to install any package in your local laptop. You will create all your servers, all your instances in cloud. Okay, no? No worries, right? Yes. Can use cloud account. And how to get cloud account, we will discuss. Okay. So you can practice DevOps with normal laptop. It works, laptop or desktop. No worries. Okay. What is AWS Cloud? Fine, we'll discuss it. We'll discuss. No worries. Prerequisites. Says I said right. DevOps needs some Linux commands. Okay. And it doesn't need any coding or programming. Nothing. It is. We don't require. Okay. And how to get these Linux commands and how to practice it, we will see as a part of this course. So don't think we should have some programming knowledge. It's not required. Okay. Yeah. Fine. No issues. Today I repeated all the concepts what I covered yesterday. No worries. Okay. Recordings. Yeah. I think the students who were joined to the classes, you will get records. Okay. You'll get records. You can just contact with Satya Tech. You can just contact. Okay. Yeah. Create WhatsApp group. Yeah. Fine. Definitely. Yeah, I'll do. I'll create one group for you. I'll share. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, Sandeep. Fine. I'll just talk to you. No worries. Okay. Yeah. How to fill the gap and how to face in interviews. I'll take separate sessions for that. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So let me close the session here. We'll see you on Monday. Thank you.